Hello everyone. Kami gala shout out guys. Hello mga kabarbs, how are you? Kumusta ng lahat? Another day, another vlog. Look at this guys. It's a small lake. Mini lake. Mini lake. Mini lake as you see. Oh boy, I'm super excited. Super excited guys. No more snow. It's plus 12 degrees right now. All is nice gone. Naging tubig na. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. All the snow become watery. Become watery. Become watery. Ala, spring na guys. Spring na. Aha. Nako, are you ready to spring? Are you ready for spring everyone? Yoo-hoo. Nice weather. No more snow guys. Oh. Saan tayo lilibang? Saan tayo lilibang? Dito tayo. Baka na lang natin tubig. Look at that. Wala na snow. Wala nang puti guys. Kunti na lang puti. Kunti na lang ang puti. Natutunan ang lahat. Oh, ang dumi oh. As you can see guys, oh, ang dumi. Maputik yan. Maputik. Maputik po yan. Ayan oh, pilaw-pilaw na guys. Ang ganda ng weather. Yehoo! Ala, bye-bye snow. Bye-bye snow. Wala na snow, bye-bye na. See you next year. See you next year. Wala na guys talaga, oh. As you can see. Yehoo! Pilaw na lahat. Wala. Wala, mag-spring na. Super excited. Ay, sa wakas, Lord. Thank you. Sana wala ng snow parating. Madulas yun. Ice. Ice, ice baby. Ayun po ang view dito guys. After the winter. After the winter. After the storm. After the rainy season. Rainy season. After the snow. After the winter. After everything. Ito ng resort guys. Maulan. Matubig. Maputik. Madumi. Nandiyan na lahat yung nakikita sa ano na nakasama sa snow na dakot-dakot ba. Oh, ayan oh, lalim oh. Tunaw na lahat ang snow guys. Oh lala. Salamat Lord. I think no more na talaga. No more na ba? My question is, no more na ba? Wala nang kasunod. Wala nang kasunod talaga. Talaga. Ayun oh. Ang dumi oh. Snow oh. Tid-tid-tid oh. Tid-tid-tid. Tuntunaw. Pilaw-pilaw. Pilaw-pilaw. Dilaw. Dilaw. Na, nagrugit. Nagrugit talaga, Nay. Nay. Hala, nagrugit. Sus. Dato iti made. Putik na putik, everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. May putik. May snow pa kunti, oh. May snow pa kunti. Ganda ng view. Mahangin. Bye-bye, everyone.